Vehicle information. Brand: KOBELCO SK135SR. Engine: ISUZU 4JJ1XDRA. ECU: Transtron M5.3S. Service: DPF, SCR and EGR Delete. Problem: check engine light on. The excavator in derate mode. Solution: DPF, SCR and EGR were disabled by modifying the ECU file. After that, the modified file was written.